Hey guys, got one on the Senko here at this new pond. It's a really nice one. Oh, it's a nice one, a decent one at least. Stuck in these freaking weeds here. Oh, come on, where are you? No! Oh my god. Dude, it's a nice one. Dude! First freaking cast. Hey, Dirty. Look. Come over here. Probably 2.5. They're really long, but they're really freaking skinny. Logan, look. Logan. Oh, I'll get the release on her. Look, Logan. Getting the release on her. There she goes. Get back to you with another. Hey guys, got one here. I think it's a little dink, but it's in the weeds. Bolt flipper up. Oh, jeez. Little dink. Some healthy fish though. Little dink. Got some healthy fish, nice color though. Ooh, there's a nice one right there. Let's see if I can get this guy. Sight fishing. I'll get back to you if I get. Hey guys, got one here. He came after it 3 times. I got him, I lost it. I threw back in there, got him, lost it, and then I let him take it for a while, and then I actually got him. So, pretty nice fish here. Still a little dink, waiting for that bigger one. These are some healthy fish though. Get a release on her. Give it back to you, it's another one. Hey guys, I got one here. Just a little another dink. God, there's these dinks in ponds. This pond's just full of dinks. A guy caught a 5-pounder out of here last week. They've been catching nice ones, but they're all out deep because of this hot weather. Just get a release. There she goes. Get back to you with another one. Hey guys, I think I got one. Yeah, I have one. I don't know what it's wrapped up in. It might be that big. Oh, dude, it's a giant. Dude, it's a giant! It's a freaking giant! I'm pretty sure it's a giant. Oh, I can. Oh my god. Dude. It's stuck in these weeds. I don't want it to break. I think it's a giant. I'm going in the water because I don't want it to break. I hope it's not muck. Okay, it's hard bottom. I swear, if it's like a snapping turtle. Oh no, it's a. Oh! Never mind, it's not that big. Dude, I thought it was huge. I saw the flash. It's like a 3-pounder. I saw the flash. And I was like, oh my god. I need the pliers. Oh, sorry, bud. Sorry, bud. Sorry. I put that JJ's Magic on, and he just hammered it. God dang, I can't get it. Oh, I broke my line. That's why I only have 15-pound Power Pro on there, so. God dang it. Let's go it. Oh no, it's not the gullet, it's just the gill. I need to get this guy in the water for a second. For some reason I can't reach the hook. There, I got it. Oh no, I didn't. Come on. Well, I'll get back to you when I release them. Hey guys, Bassman Freaks here. I just caught this nice smallie on a swim jig. Oh, it just popped right out. Come on. Nice smallie here. Let's get a release on her. There she goes. Get back to you with another one. Dude, guys, I just freaking caught a smallie. And we're in the middle of the river right now. And I just dropped my jig down by the piling, and I actually caught one. And the river's flowing really fast. Are you serious?
I know, I can get it.
Little smallie. Dude, that is so cool. Look how fast that river's flowing. Look at that.
The colors.
Well, I need to take a picture and send this to... You need to jump in the middle of the river. Oh my god. Oh, my phone's wet. What? Need a jump. I did yesterday. I climbed up it yesterday. Dude, I just caught one. Dude, I just caught one. You will. You can. I did it yesterday. Well, get a little release on this guy. That's the only way I had to get back to you with another one. Hey guys, got one on the popper here. Just a little dink. Little dink. That's my first fish on a popper too. See, I told you they were hitting top water. Tied on a little popper here. Got a nice little dink here. And his rip's ripped up. First popper fish. Not that good of a fish for my first one, but you know, get the release on her. There she goes. Get back to you with another.